And the katana. Oh, dang. Hey guys, what is up? What is good? It is Smiles and we are back with another video. We are checking out Chainsaw Man. I did a trailer reaction ages ago, but the show is now finally here. I haven't yet checked out the first episode, but today we're here to check out the opening. Make sure you guys comment the next thing for me to check out. I'll check it out. And of course, subscribe. You gotta subscribe to Smiles. We're going places. I don't know where we're going, but we're going places. Trust me. You can trust me. So yeah, I still have no idea what the show's about, but we're gonna get straight into the opening. I'm really hoping it's a banger. I mean, like, it's got like 5 million views in 18 hours. I'm hoping it's a banger. Oh, bass going crazy. Hold on. Oh, jazz. Okay. Oh, there's another chainsaw guy as well. A pigeon. Yo. Hold on. Who's that chick with the horn? She was in the trailer I saw. Hold on. They're going bowling. They're just chilling. Whoa. Hold the phone. Are they together? What's going on here? Yo. The chain comes through his head? It actually like hurts him? Dude. It's giving me Jujutsu Kaisen vibes. Oh. And the katana. Oh, dang. Bravo. Bro, the ending? Hold on. Hey. You guys gotta make sure you subscribe so you can catch my ending reaction. You better slow your roll. Man, hold on. I wanna go back to the opening. Hold on. I wanna go back to the opening. Yo, so this is a squad and a half. So we got this chick with the horns. We got this guy who's like mad chill. We got this chick who seems to be the main guy's girlfriend. And we got the main guy. But he's got spiky teeth. Like, is he evil? Is he good? What is he? He's not human. Can't be human. Oh, and what is that little... I'm sorry, but what is that? Can you guys see? What is that little plush toy? It's like a suitcase, but it has a chain on it? A chainsaw on it? I'm guessing that's how he gets his power, but he's got that since he's like a kid. He's much younger here. Hold on. And who in the heck is this geezer? Hold on, where you at? This guy. It's got Chainsaw Man, and we got Birdman. Yo. Chainsaw Man and Birdman, that's wild as. Is that even a bird? Yo. Oh, the cinema looks mad. Look, this show looks hot. Whoa, Sharkman. We've got Sharkman in the back in the cinema. Sorry, third row. We've got Angel Chick. Angel Guy? Hey, if these guys all have powers that are dope as. Ooh. Yo. Chainsaw Man gotta chill. This shot is out of order. But hold on. Come on. This show is hype. I gotta check it out. Let me know if I should do episode by episode reactions. I'd love to react to the pilot of you guys. That's it for the video. Make sure you guys do comment the next video for me to check out because I will check it out. I mean, the next video is gonna be the ending because you guys saw a little teaser before. And like the video, subscribe. You guys know the drill. Like it, subscribe it. Do whatever you can to press as many buttons as you can. You just keep pressing them buttons. And I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.